here. There is my sir. There is my senior. Don't you stop your word and your mouth to try to obey, to try to utter. But because you want to speak, you try to speak without thinking. There is my senior. If you have a belief, your matter is good, your topic is good, you can inspire, you can motivate to others. Let's you try to be so confident, try to speak without thinking this what the other will think. You think if you are thinking right, then try to speak. Then try to speak. Don't you think it? I'm not saying Mussolini, I'm not predicting that. I'm speaking Vivek, I'm Vivek, that is speaking through. And why I'm speaking? मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ ये भी बोलो जब तक आपको ये नहीं पता होगा मैं बोल क्यों रहा हूँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ if you don't know why do I want to speak never you can speak good I know why I'm speaking that's why I'm speaking good why I'm speaking I am speaking for you I want to see you here I want to hear you that's why I'm speaking मैं don't you try to give excuse. Be like that Abhishek. Again and again I'm telling you. Be like that Abhishek. Once Abhishek should come, Abhishek just came here and started to speaking. Mattering not how he just give his presentation here, how did he speak here. Matter is not here. Matter is this. When one habit I saw here, we were just asking the mic, give your time is finished. But now he just said, no, let us speak more.